Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to use the Trello board designed for seller agents. This template will help you manage your real estate clients smoothly from lead to close sale. Let's get started. First, you'll need a free Trello account. Trello offers a 14-day free trial for the premium version, but after that, you'll still have access to the free version. Once you've signed up, click the link to duplicate this board into your own account and start editing. Now let's take a quick look at the main columns of this workflow. New leads, active clients, property listings, under contract, closed sales, and follow-ups. This workflow is designed to guide you through the stages of a real estate transaction with ease. Let's start with the new leads column. Here, you'll add any new client who is interested in selling their home. Each card represents a client, and you can easily click on the card to fill in details like the client's name, contact information, and property type. When you click on one of the cards, you can edit the title according to the client's name and their property type. You'll also want to update the description with seller and property details. You can set a deadline for this task and track progress in the checklist provided. Next, you can categorize your lead as hot, warm, or cold based on how soon they want to sell. If they're looking to sell quickly, you'll mark them as a hot lead. Warm leads might need some time, while cold leads are still in the early stages. In each card, you'll find a checklist that helps you track tasks for each client. You can mark tasks as complete, and the progress bar will update. If there's a task you don't need, click the 3 dots to delete it. You can also add new tasks as needed to customize the checklist for each client. When a lead becomes a client, simply drag their card from the New Leads column to Active Clients. The card will automatically update, and the checklist will reflect new tasks for this stage of the process. As you progress with each client, you can move the card to the next section: property listings, under contract, and so on. Each time you move the card, the checklist updates automatically, ensuring you have the right tasks for that stage of the sale. You can also customize each client's card by editing the cover. Click Edit Card, select Edit Cover, and upload the desired image. This makes it easy to visually identify each client's card. If you need to create multiple cards for different clients, simply click on Copy to duplicate the card. All the automations, checklists, and settings will be applied to the new cards as well. That's how simple it is to manage your real estate clients with this Trello board. With automatic updates and easy drag-and-drop functionality, you can focus on closing deals while staying organized. Thanks for watching. And if you're ready to start using this template, click the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your real estate business. See you in the next video.